Listen to it while you eat. Listen to it while you blink. Who got the super glue that makes them throwing technology? Donated graciously to us by the Spikeball speaker box.
What's that? I can't hear anything over that wonderful noise.
Wow, Needle, you phoned up Gelatin and Ice Cube, our former Power of 3 teammate. That's brutal.
Yep, those teams are getting no sleep. We're so gonna win.
Wait, before we go, I can't drive with this genre of music. I know it's what kids these days listen to, but my ears just can't put up with this.
Smart for the win!
Is it just me, or are Icy's headphones noises sounding more distorted?
Nope, it's just you.